Guys, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna stick some super glue. I'm not gonna use the glue that came with the plane because I'm just a big fan of super glue. And so I will do this. I'll make sure that this stays in place, and I will glue it here and there, and making sure that this stays in there, because super glue glues stuff together really quickly
and very tight
and very well. So hopefully this will work. And then the next part I'm going to do is I'm going to connect the other wing, and to make sure that that doesn't come loose, I will move the cable to this side. It looks like that's stuck together pretty well, or well enough, hopefully. Let's see, that still moves. I may have to tape it. I'm not sure about gluing this together. Sometimes tape does a better job. But for now, I'll put this down here like this, and we will apply some more glue here and here. There. Okay, now we will try this again where I put this in place, and hopefully at the very least the wings will stick together. If it doesn't hold on to the body, I'll just tape it maybe.
Maybe you could super glue it if you wanted over here. Like on the cracks.
Like on the cracks. Yeah, we could do that too. That might do a good job. Alright, so after that, obviously we'll place this into the slot a little bit better, and then we can add the battery, and we'll see if the thing actually starts up. And that's most of the assembly done. Then of course you can always add a bunch of other bits and pieces, like we're going to have to use this stabilizer
over in the front, I believe.
That's for the back of the plane, but we'll see in a second.
Maybe.
Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next part.